Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to take these simple ingredients and make Greek style scrambled eggs. You'll need 1 tablespoon of butter on a medium heat with 1 diced onion. Fry that for 5 minutes and add 1 teaspoon of pepper and oregano. Fry that for 2 minutes. 3 grated tomatoes on a high heat for 5 minutes, or you could use 400 gram of tinned tomatoes. 6 eggs. And mix that together, and when it comes together, lower the heat to medium. Then add 40 grams of feta. Mix everything together and it's ready. It's delicious. Serve it on big chunky crusty bread. Perfect as a late lunch, brunch, whatever you want. This recipe serves free. I hope you enjoy this recipe and I'll see you next time.